Let us start number 4. Again a figure is given. AB O C B. This angle is given X. This is given Y. This one is given Z. This one is given W. What is the data? In figure, X plus Y equals to W plus Z. To prove AOB is a line. Proof. See. X plus Y, you know that I don't know X plus Y is 180 or not. I want to prove that X plus Y is 180. If X plus Y is 180, I can say AOB is a line. If Z plus W is also 180, then I can say that AOB is a line. Now, from figure, you can say that total X plus Y plus Z plus W, sum of these two, all the four, X plus Y plus Z plus W, it form a circle. Circle means 360 degree, but X plus Y equals to what? W plus Z given. So I can write X plus Y plus Z plus W means also I can write X plus Y. Now 1X plus 1X, 2X plus 2Y equal to 360. To common, X plus Y equal to 360. Take to other side, so X plus Y equal to 360 divided by 2. So X plus Y equals to 180. And therefore W plus Z equal to also 180. If X plus Y is 180, Z plus W is 180, so I can write AOB is a line. Why? Because X and Y forms angles of linear pair. Okay? So you can write AOB is a line. This is your number 4. Write down by repeating, rewinding this video. Now number 5. Most triangle. Again a diagram is given. P, O, Q, R, S, 90. See, what is the data? In figure, P, O, Q is a line. See the question. Ray OR is perpendicular, this is the perpendicular sine to line PQ. Prove that means to prove angle ROS equals to half into bracket angle QOS minus angle POS. See. Data is POQ is a line, ROQ is perpendicular, means this one is 90 and this one is also 90. So proof is what? We start with the data. POQ is a line given. If it is a line, then these two angles form angles of linear pair. OR is perpendicular to PQ given. Therefore, angle QOR equals to angle POR equals to 90. This is the number 1. See, we want to prove about this. We want to prove QoS minus POS. I need this. So I start with QoS. QoS is what? This is 90 plus this. QoS means this angle is 90 plus ROS. Now, angle QoS equals to what? 90 plus angle ROS. Call it result number 2. I need POS also. Angle POS equals to what? POS, this angle. POS, this angle is what? Total 90 minus ROS. 90 minus angle ROS. This is the number 3. I want QoS minus POS. So subtract number 3 from 2. Subtract 3 from 2. QoS minus POS, angle QoS minus angle POS equal to QoS means 90 plus ROS minus means I write in bracket 90 minus angle ROS. Open this bracket. QoS minus angle POS equals to 90 plus ROS. Open the bracket. Minus 90 minus plus ROS. Plus 90 minus 90 will be cancelled. QoS minus POS equals to ROS plus ROS, that is 2 times angle ROS. 2 is in multiplication, you can take down. So angle QoS minus angle POS divided by 2 angle ROS. So it is written like this, ROS equals to, I write this, equals to this, means half into QoS minus angle POS. This ones up, this upon 2, hence proved. Very simple. Try to understand it by repeating. Okay? We will start the last question of exercise 6.1, that is question number 6. It is given that angle XYZ is 64. Angle X, Y, Z. Given that this angle is 64. XY is produced to point P. XY is produced, means extended. So this line produced to point P. Draw a figure from the given information. So we draw it. If ray YQ bisects angle ZYP, bisects means this angle and this angle are same. Angle XYZ equal to 64. Ray XY produced to point P, ray YQ bisects angle ZYP. It means what? Angle ZYQ, that is equals to angle PYQ. bisect, then these two angles are same. Suppose this angle is small a, left. If this is a, this is also a. Find xyq. Find angle xyq and reflex of QYP. This is your question. Find xyq and find reflex QYP. To find out reflex QYP, you need to find the QYP. First, I start with xyq. xyq means I want to find 64 plus a. Means I need to find a. You know that xyp is a line. If it is a line, we can apply angles of linear pair. So xyz and pyz. Angle xyz and angle pyz are angles of linear pair. Linear pair is always supplementary. Means sum of these two angles is 180. xyz plus pyz equals to 180. I have xyz. xyz is 64 plus pyz equal to 180 degree. Take 64 this side. Plus 64 will be minus. So angle pyz equal to 180 minus 64. pyz equal to 180 minus 64 will be 116. See, pyz 116. Now ray yq bisect angle pyz. Given ray yq bisects angle pyz. P angle ray yq bisects angle pyz. You can write zyp or pyz. Bisect means equal part. So angle zyq equal to angle pyq equal to half of angle pyz. Total angle pyz is divided into two parts. Half of 116, that is 58 each. Means angle A is 58 and this angle is also 58. Okay, we need to find what? xyq. So angle xyq equal to xyz plus zyq. xyz plus angle zyq. Angle xyz is 64 plus 58. 122. First answer. Now QYP. QYP that we have 58. So what is the reflex of QYP? Reflex angle QYP equal to what? 360 minus angle QYP. Now we have QYP. See in the diagram, QYP is 58. So 360 minus 58 is 302 degree. First answer. And this is your second answer. Okay? This is your exercise 6.1. So write down properly by repeat. Afterwards, you will start the remaining theorems and concept definitions and remaining exercise.